Bezard, thank you very much for joining us at the Global Offshore Wind Conference. How's your day been so far?
Yeah, thank you for speaking to me. It's been really great. We're here in stand 203 demoing our WindLogix market intelligence tool. So, it's a really great tool for the supply chain and also developers in the offshore wind market.
Why? Why is that? Tell us a bit about what it does.
So essentially, we're tracking global offshore wind projects from the early development phase through to decommissioning. We have a forecast within it, so showing how much capacity is expected to come online up to 2031 and beyond. We have a CapEx model in place as well, so showing how much spend is expected to take place every single year as well, up to 2031. And essentially a really useful tool for them to find out where the new markets are, what's happening, where the current sort of hotspots are, and where a lot of the spend will be taking place in the future.
And about that, you're an analytics company. Tell us a little bit about the kind of key patterns in the offshore wind market at the moment globally and what the UK supply chain should be looking out for.
I'd say one of the key areas for the UK supply chain is floating offshore wind. So, the UK is a leader in floating offshore wind. There's not a huge amount of capacity yet, but, we are the first country to have got floating offshore wind projects coming online. And that's somewhere where there's a huge potential pipeline. So we're currently tracking 121 gigawatts worth of floating offshore wind projects globally. And we're forecasting about 15 gigawatts to come online by 2030. So, in terms of exporting expertise, that's a really key area for the UK.
And project-wise, we've just recently had the kind of announcement through Scotland in terms of the licensing round. How are you helping some of your customers to deal with that?
So essentially, we're tracking the Scotland project. So we're tracking the key developments within the projects. So as the projects move along through the different phases, through the planning phases, and as contracts start being awarded on it, we'll be tracking on the database. So our clients can have a look at this. They can see where they fit in as a supplier potentially, and start planning ahead for working with the Scotland projects.
Well, thank you very much for talking to us, and we hope you have a fantastic 2 days.
That's great. Thank you, Sol.